Robbie came running in this morning. He was like, come outside, look outside. And I went to look and I'm like, how are we ever gonna do school today? It's so beautiful. To a winter wonderland in our yard. Robbie came running in this morning. He was like, come outside, look outside. And I went to look and I'm like, how are we ever gonna do school today? It's so beautiful. I'm trying to decide if right now there's enough to build a snowman, but the thought is we need to give it another hour or so before we start to build our snowman. Oh no, that's too hard. Don't make them too compact.
Don't want to make a snow.
Oh no.
No snow cookies.
No, not in faces.
Okay. Yeah. Oh.
Did he get you?
I still have some of it.
All this and Daddy and Joey are still getting breakfast going. They're not even coming out yet. I don't even have my mittens on, so I can't play. Oh no. Are you dying to go out there, snow girl? Are you dying? So you're like, this is the weather I was made for. Take me out there, Mama. Okay, let's get your leash on, okay? Okay. Hey, little girl. Let's go. What do you think? I have to be super careful I don't slip myself. What do we think, pretty girl? What do you think? Me just over here walking like a little penguin as slowly as I can because I don't want to slip and totally go flying in front of all the neighbors while they're eating their breakfast, like drinking their morning coffee. And it's like, whoop. I think we go inside. We make hot chocolate. I got a snowball. Snowballs in the face. Yeah. My camera's not focusing. Can you guys hear me? Make it warmer. I say we go inside, we drink hot chocolate, and we go for a ride and see the mountains. And tomorrow's December 1st. I could not ask for a better way to kick off December. Let me see. Are you gonna get me?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's a giant snowball. Who's that? Oh. Ruby's like, dude, what are you doing? What is he doing? Okay, back inside. All right, who wants hot chocolate? Just me? They can't even hear me because they ran out. They ran out, but I am excited. Oh, it's getting windy. That's the thing. It's getting like 20-mile-per-hour winds, so the wind's like kicking up. I am excited though because my nose definitely runny. Hold on. I got here it is for the boys yesterday.
I need that.
I what?
I need that.
You need that. He has no shirt because he's dry now. I got Grinch peppermint mocha to put inside of their hot chocolates because 'tis the season. 'Tis the season. So excited. He's dressed. He got a giant snowball down his jacket. I was like, go take everything off. Now I'm gonna die of heat and dry. I'm gonna die of heat. What did you make here, little sugar plum? You have, what do you have there? Hot chocolate?
I have peppermint mocha
Peppermint mocha.
and 6 Lucky Charms.
6 Lucky Charm marshmallows. Fit for an elf. Did you tell everybody what our elves did today?
Oh, yeah.
What did they do? What did they do?
Look at what they did. They gave the chocolate balls.
Chocolate bars. Can I
And
touch
they were like 1 million.
$1 million chocolate bars from Santa. Very
Hey,
cool.
I can buy every Nintendo game now.
Yeah. All right, guys, it is now afternoon. We are off to Walmart because I went yesterday and I bought a bunch of these little clear mini lights. I don't like the what do you call the ones that are really, really bright white? Like the is it LED? LCD, LED? I don't like those. I prefer the soft white, and that's what this is. So I was so excited, and for my garland inside the house, but I bought 3 boxes because they were really inexpensive, and one of the boxes, only half of the lights work. There's 100 lights, probably 50 of them work, 50 of them don't. So now I gotta go stand in line at Walmart and return this, but I'm also making this cough syrup just to have on hand for the winter months. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and then I'm also going to probably get a pot of pinto beans going and throw some ham in there just to have like a ham bean soup. So here we go. Oh, and Jacob and I have our elf hats on. Elf hats, elf hats. All right, so we're deciding if we're gonna start spreading some Christmas cheer and wear this into the store.
I'd say we should do it in December.
In December. Oh, tomorrow's December 1st.
I know, so let's do it.
So we're just doing a preview for everybody now.
Yes.
Yes. Again, home again, jiggity jig. Isn't that the song? Okay, we are gonna make this cough syrup. You and me, you and I, you and me, you and I. I'm gonna make this cough syrup. Okay, and then we have to put up some more Christmas lights outside. It's been a slower process getting outside done because we're not used to the colder weather. So like every day we put a little bit more. Okay, so I have my really good honey. This is from Montana. This is, it's a sweet clover, pure and raw, natural honey that comes from Montana, which is local, not too far from us. I'm gonna make so I bought a bunch of different kinds of beans to make different soups. I'm gonna do a ham and split pea soup with that ham. So probably I'll start it today, but you'll see that recipe tomorrow. So today we are going to need, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna need. Come with me to the kitchen. I have not even taken off my puffy coat yet. All right, honey. Right there. I need honey, an onion, and a big thing of clove of garlic. Let's go gather supplies. All right, here we have it. I need to get my blender. I'm probably just gonna use, I'm not gonna get the Vitamix. I'm just gonna use my NutriBullet. I'm gonna cut up the onion. I'm gonna cut up a couple cloves of garlic, and then you'll see I'm gonna put it all together. I think I'm gonna heat it up a little bit and then strain it. I am regretting kind of not taking off my coat, but the thing is, I'm washing my hands. I'm gonna go outside and finish up those Christmas lights in about 15 minutes or finish up part of them, and I just don't want to take my coat off and on a million times, so we're just gonna deal with it. Okay, I'm gonna set you up there. I've got on like 3 layers of puffy coat. Okay, I have my NutriBullet mixer. Oh, let me grab a knife. Hold on. I'm ready. Okay, so we're gonna talk through this. Kids have on a program, a Christmas movie, and so if it's too loud in here, I'm sorry if you can't hear this. Joey, what are you doing? Okay, no, nothing, mommy. Okay, the reason why I hear that you use onions is because they're antimicrobial, so they're supposed to be very good. I need you to scooch over. Okay, mommy has a sharp knife. Yeah, I have a sharp knife, and I'm already not the greatest with knives. Okay, I'm gonna cut the onion in half. I think I'm gonna start off just using half of one. I'll probably use the other half in my split pea soup. Sometimes I watch cooking videos of some of you. Oh my goodness. And you all are so great at cutting onions. I already feel my eyes crying. Ugh. Hold on. These are seriously watering already. Okay. What do you do? Is there like a trick to not cry when you cut onions? Because if there is, I really need to know it. Okay, so I've got my onion chopped. I'm gonna chop up my garlic. I can't even look at you guys right now because it's so bad. And then we're gonna blend it all together. Okay, now I'm gonna add my garlic. I say through watery cry tear eyes. It doesn't have to be perfect because you are gonna strain this. So I'm gonna add that to my pot. I'm gonna do a little bit more garlic. You guys, my eyes are burning so bad. It is so bad. I can like barely see the camera right now. Just trying to get all this off my clove. Do you hear my kiddos singing in the background? It's so windy outside, you guys, right now. Okay, so I just have a very low flame on right now, and I don't have any oil or anything in the pan, just my onions and my garlic, and I'm gonna add, I think it's about a cup of the honey. So I'm just heating this up just a little bit. I don't want it to boil or anything. I'm just kind of making the honey more, I don't know, kind of pliable. Is that the word you would use? Liquid? I don't know. Lucid? That's not the word. Getting it nice and usable. All right, I'm ready to start blending. Okay, so I don't want to make such a huge mess when I do this. And they say that both kids and adults, I don't know how much kids will love the onion flavor of it. You hear my boys are like, bleh. But you know what? That's why we're straining it. And you can always add a little bit more honey. But the principles and the properties of the garlic and, hold on. The garlic and the honey is just so good for them. So they say that if you have a cough, anything like that, this is supposed to be so good for. Even if you don't have a cough yet, it's just cold and flu season, and you take a tablespoon of this or a teaspoon of this a couple times a day, should be good. All right, let's blend. We've blended it. I'm gonna open up, oh my goodness, it's just got honey on everything. I'm going to open this up, and then you can strain out the little pieces of onion. Whoa. You see all that? Okay, it's just doing its thing. Guys, I'm gonna take a teaspoonful right now. It's really good, actually. I mean, I wouldn't go kiss Rich right after because I'm gonna have some super garlic breath, but it's really, really good. I can totally do this twice a day. So, and that is it. I'm sorry, I've been crying. My makeup's running. That's it. If I have my mason jar out, I put that in there. I'll probably take a teaspoon or a tablespoon a couple times a day. Goodness gracious. And there you have it. So I'll leave the recipe in the description so y'all can make this. And I'm also gonna do some homemade elderberry later on this week. I am a mess. I'm so sorry. Okay, I wanted to let you know too, you don't have to blend it all together. You could. A lot of people will take the garlic and the onions and they will let them just like sit in the honey whole. So they will just let them kind of marinate and sit in their whole. I also saw a lady in the UK who takes all of it and then she puts it like a dressing on top of her salads, and she starts it in October and she just does it all throughout the whole winter, almost like a salad dressing. So there you have it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And with that, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for joining us here at Vlogmas. Welcome to any new subscribers. Thank you for being part of the family, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.